Soccer is the beautiful game, but there is one golden rule every single player must follow. No hands. Sounds simple, right? Well, not anymore. Welcome to the most chaotic rule in football, the handball. In theory, if the ball touches any part of your arm from your shoulder down to your fingertips, it's an illegal play. The referee blows the whistle, and the other team gets a free kick. But wait, here is where the confusion begins for new fans. What if the ball hits your hand completely by accident? If a defender is running normally and an opponent blasts the ball directly into his arm from 2 inches away, is it a penalty? Don't panic. The referee has to judge intent and body position. If your arms are tightly glued to your body or in a natural running position, you are safe. However, if you open your arms like a bird, making your body unnaturally bigger, even by accident, boom, that is a handball every single day. And if this happens inside your own penalty box, it's the ultimate disaster, a penalty kick. Now it's time for another trivia time. Look at this shocking scenario. A striker scores a massive goal, but the ball accidentally grazed his hand a second before without changing its trajectory. Is the goal legal or illegal? Think about it and leave your vote down in the comments. Smash that subscribe button for more quick soccer guides, and see you on the next match.